with another Muhammad Assaf's video. So I've reacted on his video before and I really enjoyed that video. So hope this will be a great video as well. So I'm excited as always. Without wasting any time, let's see how it goes. I really like his voice, very powerful. Wow. Wow. This is my natural reaction. Wow. Wow. I will say that he is the legend. He is doing very well and every note took by him is really fantastic, breathtaking you can say, and his voice is really powerful. I became fan of his voice and I've googled and I came to know that he's from Palestine. So amazing video. So let's move on. Amazing start you can say. And what is the meaning of the title? You can let me know in the comment section because there are no subtitles, so I couldn't understand the meaning of the lyrics, but that is really enjoyable because his voice is just awesome. So let's move on. video is over. So guys, the video is over and he's really very lucky person you can say, because Allah blessed him with such an amazing and beautiful voice, and his voice is really very pure and powerful, very heart touching you can say, and beautiful video as always. As I said in the middle of the video, I became fan of his voice. I couldn't understand the meaning of the lyrics, but I still really enjoyed this video, and I'm getting excited to react on more videos of him because he is just awesome. And you can suggest more videos of him in the comment section, so I will definitely try my level best to react on your suggestions. So I think I should wrap up this video now. If you like my reaction, please like this video and comment below should you have any suggestions. So I think that's it for today. So in the next video, till then, goodbye, have a nice day.